Let's learn how to set SMART goals. 4 Inches let your performance be appreciated. Aim of the SMART goal setting training is to empower participants with the knowledge, skills, and practical techniques to set and achieve effective goals using the SMART framework. By the end of the training, participants will have a clear understanding of goal-setting principles and be equipped to create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that drive personal and professional success. What is a goal? A goal is a desired outcome or result that an individual, team, or organization aims to achieve within a specific time frame. Goals provide direction, purpose, and motivation for actions and efforts. They help define what you want to accomplish and guide you to focus towards achieving that outcome. Setting SMART goals is a strategic approach to defining objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals provide clarity, focus, and a clear path to success. Here's how you can set SMART goals. Anytime you set a goal, if you find yourself struggling while working towards a goal, keep in mind the word SMART. SMART is an acronym that can be used to help evaluate and add structure to your goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. The less specific a goal, the more difficult it is to determine how long the goal should take to complete or how to measure success. Consider the difference between a goal to get healthy versus the goal to lose weight versus the goal to lose 10 pounds. The goal to get healthy is much less specific than a goal to lose 10 pounds. The next question to ask: measurable. How is the goal measured? What determines success? Some goals may be best measured by a simple yes or no, such as the goal of climbing to the top of a mountain, while other goals are better measured by using metrics such as the goal to lose 10 pounds. The key to measurement is making sure that in whatever way the goal is measured, it accurately reflects success. For instance, if you do not have access to a scale, then measuring weight loss will be difficult and less accurate. An alternative measure may be to track how many inches you have lost around the waist, but to what extent does this accurately reflect the goal? Without access to a reliable way of measuring weight, we may want to consider buying a scale or restructuring our goal. Actionable is not asking yes or no, but how will the goal be achieved? What is our action plan? Do we have the resources and capabilities required to achieve success? If not, what are we lacking? Well-designed goals provide clarity of action. If the actions required to achieve a goal are unclear, or there are a large number of actions that need to be taken, we should consider breaking down the main goal into manageable, actionable sub-goal. In isolation, any single goal is relevant. But in life, we most often are in the process of pursuing multiple goals. A common issue we face is having too many goals at the same time, or pursuing the wrong goals. With this in mind, we need a mechanism to help us monitor our goals to make sure we are pursuing our most relevant goals at any given moment in time. One technique is to place goals in a matrix that looks at effort required versus perceived value of achieving the goal. Not always, but most of the time we will want to focus our energy on low-effort, high-value goals. Another technique is to use the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. Ask, which are the 20 of goals that will provide me with 80 of my return? The last thing we want to make sure is that goals are time-bound. By including a specific date by which a goal should be accomplished, it helps provide incentive and allows us to monitor progress. Time-bound. By including a specific date by which a goal should be accomplished, it helps provide incentive and allows us to monitor progress. Consider the difference between the goal to lose 10 pounds and the goal to lose 10 pounds in 10 weeks. Simply by including an element of time, we can now calculate how much we should be losing each week. And if after 5 weeks we have only lost 1 pound, we can revisit our action plan. Last, is important to reinforce that goal setting is not an event. It is an ongoing process of action, evaluation. It is about recognizing goals are dynamic, because life is dynamic. We do not live in a static world. Life happens. A goal that is relevant today may be irrelevant tomorrow. When using SMART, stay flexible and motivated by setting aside time to re-evaluate your goals on a regular basis. What is KPI? Key performance indicators are important key measurements that tell you whether or not you are achieving your goals. They are a tool for measuring progress. Without a KPI or goal, objective is not smart. KPIs play a crucial role in performance management, allowing organizations to assess progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. KPIs are like gauges on the dashboard of your car. They provide a clear picture of an organization's health and success, helping leaders to allocate resources effectively and drive continuous improvement. Formula for writing SMART goals. To ensure you meet the SMART criteria, you can use this formula to write your goals. Start with an action verb plus result to be achieved. This is your KPIs. Metric or target plus time frame. This will give you your SMART goal. Let's apply the formula here. In this example, the SMART goal is, for example, SMART goal is generate aid 1.5 million sales revenue by end 2023. Action verb is generate. Result to be achieved KPI is amount of sales revenue. Metric, target is 1.5 million. Time frame is by end 2023. In this example, the SMART goal is increase customer satisfaction rating from 70% to 85% by June 2023. Let's apply the formula here. Action verb is increase. Result to be achieved percentage of customer satisfaction is the KPI. Metric target is 70% to 85%. Time frame is by June 2023. Two types of goals: performance and personal development. Performance goals can help you align your strategy and goals. Improve employee performance through ongoing coaching and feedback, and recognize top talent. Example performance goals: listen in on 4 customer service calls per month. Decrease operational costs by 10% by June 30. Implement a formal ordering system by the end of Q2 to track office supply inventory. Personal development goals and plan. Development planning outlines the path or course of action an employee can take to enhance their own career development or further develop skills needed for job performance. Development goals may include taking a training class, finding and spending time with a mentor, or attending continuing education classes. Example C. Personal development goals. Attend 1 training program on communication skills this month. Acquire new leadership skills by end 2023. Attend 3 training sessions during ARV 2023. Earn 300 CPB points this year. Achieve 20 HRS of coaching in 2023. Join the Albatha mentoring program in 2023. Participate in 2 seminars by Q3. Goal plan lists all the goals you are expected to complete in your position to help meet department and organizational goals. Goals are expected to be completed within a given time frame, and you will evaluate these during a performance review session. Cascade goals to achieve alignment. Align your individual employee goals with the departmental goals and ultimately align all the goals to achieve the organizational goals. Let's see an example of how to align goals. The goal is to increase customer satisfaction rate to 90% by end of the year. In order to achieve this goal, you need to reduce average problem resolution time by 20% in 2023. Acquire 45,000 new customers online this financial year. Resolve 80% customer complaints by Q3. To sum up, SMART goals are Specific, clearly defined and focused on a particular outcome. 2. Measurable, quantifiable, allowing progress to be tracked and evaluated. 3. Achievable, realistic and attainable, given available resources and constraints. 4. Relevant, aligned with your broader objectives and aspirations. 5. Time-bound, set within a specific time frame or deadline. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best to set SMART goal. For in jazz, let your performance be appreciated